this project, we present Citegeist, a novel tool for synthesizing academic works, which can help you in writing your related work section for an unfinished paper you are currently working on. As you can see, we have deployed a web page for easy interaction with our model. Here, you can paste the abstract of your unfinished paper. And then you can tweak the different parameters here according to how many papers you would like to see considered for your related work section, to what depth they should be analyzed, meaning how many pages should be considered with regard to your input abstract, and how diverse the abstract should be. So how many topics should be covered in the abstract, in the related work section. When I click on generate here, you'll be able to see that the model initially yields a very high number of papers from the database. This is done via embedding matching. For pre-computed paragraph embedding, we have computed with a sentence transformer on the arXiv corpus. Using this embedding matching, which is done via cosine similarity, we can identify the most likely candidates which are relevant for the related work section. Now, for all the 30 papers which have been yielded here for the long list, the model will download the entire papers from the arXiv API and assign a relevance score to each single page with regard to the input abstract. This will help us identify the most relevant topics within these papers, which should be synthesized in your related work section. Now, the model has selected the most relevant papers according to the content in each of their pages. Using these 10 papers, which you are able to see is the same amount as was chosen for the breadth earlier, the model will now write the final related work section. In doing so, it will incorporate all the citations of the previously chosen papers and also write a proper citation list down here. You can see that every single paper has the corresponding arXiv link as well, which you can use to easily verify that the paper is proper and not a hallucination. You can see here that the model also groups together similar topics into paragraphs and properly cites the sources it has in its citation list down here. We believe that this will be a big help to researchers to handle the ever-growing amount of academic papers in current research, and we also provide an alternative method of uploading the entire PDF of your current paper draft, which enables the model to match across each of those pages.